god, 268 meters.
Bueno. 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 ¡Ah! ¡Woohoo! El último, ¿dónde está el último? ¿Aquí? ¡Bim, baby!
Oh! Greetings, Earthlings. Come here, baby. See that little face. Come on, pop it up, pop it up, pop it up, pop it up, pop it up. Let me see the egg, girl. Pop it up, pop it up, pop it up, pop it up. Watch this, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Headshot. Headshot. God damn it, dude.
I don't want to talk about it.
Shields. We in there. Play the new game mode, snipers. Bro, I did the new game mode already. I got a 23 kill win, and it was lit. It was lit sauce. Almost as lit as the snipe. Okay.
What the fuck?
Eu vou tentar. Ele é muito bom, ele é muito bom. Olha os movimentos dele que ele faz. Ó, ele corre muito rápido. Ele é mais rápido que a gente. Sai da frente, Tadashi! Porra, seu filho da puta! Desculpa, Tadashi, desculpa, eu me exaltei.
You're right there, bro. You gonna kill yourself.
Keep jumping.
I trust you.
Keep jumping.
You the best, bro. Yo, I'm jumping on this balloon. I'm jumping on the balloon. I'm jumping on the balloon.
For real?
It might.
No way. No way.
I'm trash!
What?
Dude, they're not together. What? Wait.
Listen, do that?
What? Wait.
Fuck is going on, dude? Who the fuck did I just kill?
Wait.
My brain does not compute.
Hold on.
I don't know what just happened. I just knocked 3 fucking people.
Damn it, Lupo was talking to chat, you shit! Of course he was a fucking bush.
Ty mnie tak daleko zostawiłeś, nie? Benzema szczelił bramkę.
Czy wy ludzie to widzieliście właśnie w tym momencie?
Co? Co się stanęło się?
Ze skrzynki wyleciało mi nic.
Oh my god!
Direi fatto questo. Apri 7K.
Merci beaucoup, Hect, pour tes bits.
Oh putain, mais quelqu'un ici! La blague tourne mal!
right as you land.
Oh, how about a fucking quadra?
Well, yeah. Dude, yeah. What I was doing. Oh my.
Oh my. Dude.
Well, so now we know. All right. If you get shot off a staircase.
Dude. Imagine.
Dude, just imagine.
Jaj, gyerek. Na majd én.
Sit down, please.
Tyson GHG, nice dog, K-Wall. Thank you guys for the subs. Welcome to the Ninjas M. Doug, thank you for the 2 months. Oh shit.